Welcome back. In this video I will guide you how to add phone symbol in MS Word. You can type a specific code directly onto your page and instantly convert it into a phone symbol using a built-in Windows shortcut. For this you need to place your cursor where you want the symbol to be appeared. So for the classic telephone symbol you need to type 260E and press Alt X all together. And if you want to insert a handset telephone symbol, for this you need to type 1F4DE and press Alt X all together. And if you want to insert mobile phone or a smartphone, you need to type 1F4F1 and press Alt X all together. Moreover, you can type phone symbol using Alt code. For this you need to hold the Alt key and press 9742. This is the Alt key and here is the 9742. You need to press Alt together and then release this Alt key. So let's do it. You need to hold down the Alt key and press 9742 and release the Alt key. This will instantly insert the phone symbol. You can select it and go to the home and change the effect whatever you like it. I like this one. Another code is you need to hold down the Alt key and on the numeric side keypad you need to press 9743 and release the Alt key. Again select it, go to the home and change the effect which you like. Another way is that you need to hold down the window key and this is the semicolon key. You need to press both key all together. So this will appear up the emoji panel. Click on the search and type phone. And here you will see the different phone symbols. Just need to click to insert it. Like this one. In another way, you need to click on the insert and click on the icons. So make sure your internet must be connected with the computer and now in the search box type phone. Hit enter and here you can see different phone symbols. You can resize it like this one. So another way is the traditional method is click on the insert, click on the symbols, click on more symbols. And in the font you need to select wingdings. And here you can see that these are the different font symbols. You can just select it and insert it. So moreover, if you use the telephone symbol frequently, then copy the symbol by Ctrl C, click on file, go to the options and click on the proofing, click on the autocorrect options. And here you need to give the shortcut key, for example \phone and click add. Click OK, click OK. And now whenever you type \phone, hit spacebar, it will instantly convert to the phone symbol. So I hope now you understand how you can add phone symbol in MS Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.